My busiest day of the week. Grind mode at its fullest. Let's go. All right, this is the fit for today. Say hi, Ellie. Hi. Shoes, long socks. Is a little chilly outside. I had leggings on, but I get hot quickly, so leggings, sports bra, sweatshirt, hat, hair pulled back, all natural, no makeup on, and to the road. Also, can we talk about my birthday gift? WJ. Look, Isaiah's already in there. Love her. All right, so first things first, my day usually consists of quiet time. I have to make sure I wake up before everybody else does, just because I need time to read through my emails, respond to any messages from my team, and also make sure that I get all the updates over the weekend and from the agents and buyers and clients. What I do is I go through every single file, every buyer, every seller, and then get an update. So did we get any offers, any showings? If we had showings, what was the feedback? Buyers, if they went to go tour homes, what do? We talk about, what they liked, what they didn't like, and then look at any potential homes that they want to go look at and kind of compare, right? Because if you saw something in a house, let's just say, for example, square footage, and it was just too small, then why would we take you to go look at another house that's the same square footage? So that's kind of what I do before everyone else or the world wakes up and start going through that. And once I go through that, then I go into our system. Also, today we have my brother, Isaiah. Isaiah. We have Isaiah, the realtor. Isaiah is jumping back on. He's taking over leads, buyers. So if you guys are watching this and you're interested in buying a house and you send me a message, chances are you're going to talk to...
I'll be like the voice behind the screen, or like the person behind the...
I don't like to say like you're my brother, because I want you to have like your own identity. But at the end of the day, like, people need to know like who you are, and you are my brother. And the reason I want to make that a point is because if you know how I am, I'm like crazy, loud myself, that's exactly who he is. So I want you guys to feel comfortable, confident, and I think I'm yapping too much now, so I'm just gonna... Let's try calling this agent who's demanding that we give him an answer on an offer he submitted on my $800,000 lot, but won't answer his phone. Makes 0 sense. And y'all have his name, kind of, brother.
I'm sorry, the person you were trying to reach has a...
Mario.
Good.
Hey, so really quick, I just got off the phone with my seller, and also today is Monday, which means I train for pickleball today. So I'm paying my brother. Yes, I'm paying my brother.
Nothing's free in this world.
No. Anyways, to train me at pickleball because I want to get better. Also, I just found out today that I play pickleball with one of my past clients' sons. Had no idea, by the way, because we just talk smack to each other like, you suck today. I'm like, oh, you're really playing like trash today? Anyways, but I thought that was funny. Had a whole conversation about that this morning. But we're going to go drill a little bit with pickleball. Also, I don't think I updated you guys, but 2 weeks ago I won first place at pickleball. So at my league, pickle league, I won first place in the bottom bracket, of course. But I'm going to go get better, so let's go. Whew, okay, what you just saw was a small piece of how much pickleball we played today. Honestly, I think we got there at 5:30, and it's 11 o'clock and we're just getting home. We did make a quick pit stop at H-E-B, to get some stuff. I'm going to cook up something healthy because of course we just did some good exercise, and we going to stop and we going to eat something healthy. Okay, so I'm going to make some chicken with some asparagus and some basmati rice. That's what's on tonight's menu. look at that burnt chicken, some asparagus. Yum, more chicken there. Really good seasoning. All right, so I'm gonna end the night with this. I know you guys saw me negotiating for my $800,000 lot in Hockley. So we got multiple offers. We actually received another offer that just came in maybe about 20 minutes ago. I'm gonna work on all of these, present them to my client, give them my opinion on what I think we should counter, which ones are worth countering on, and then, go from there. With that being said, I'm gonna let you guys go. Hopefully today was a small little glimpse of what I deal with every Monday. My Mondays are my most hectic days. Don't get me wrong, there are some days that feel like Mondays, even though it's not. But with that being said, I am gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna make some food, eat, take a shower, get in my PJs, and see you guys next Monday.